I will show you how to make this kind of dhoti from these two pieces of silk. This one for Gauranga Mahaprabhu we did with two colors. One is yellow, and for the front part of the dhoti we use two colors. We use other color because with this color we will make it kurta. So this is made of two pieces of cloth so that it won't be so much transparent. This dhoti has two pieces, like one is this piece and then this piece. For dhoti I made several attempts of cutting out a proper shape, and first I stitched those trial things in this kind of simple cotton cloth. So I did this kind of trials, and when the trial became best I selected this pattern, and I will use this pattern. Same with this one in the front part. So what you will need to do is we will just paint this same pattern into the cloth. We will need this kind of things too. Now I painted this. Now I will give some around half centimeters around so that it will go for stitching. I will draw same thing one more time. Before cutting this too, better I will paint other things also. The front part of the dhoti, one from this cloth and another's from this cloth. Then I will cut and stitch. Painting is done. Now cut from the external line. I've cut all the needed pieces for dhoti. Now I'll take these two pieces match their sides and stitch all around like this. Maybe I can leave this place open where there is waste so that I can turn it other side and iron it, and then later I can stitch it. Same thing I will do with this. I'll take the where pen is visible. I'll just stitch the sides, this side, this sides, and keep this side open so that I can turn it to the right side. Here I stitched on this side and left the waist side unstitched, and this one also I stitched all the sides and left the waist side unstitched so that I can turn into other side. And this one should be ironed now. And we'll turn this one also. Some places are open, but later after ironing we can stitch again, because cloth is very delicate. Ahimsa silk is very delicate. You need to be careful. Now we will stitch these sides. Both the sides we will turn like inside, and stitch on top of it so that cloth doesn't get spoiled. Now we neatly stitched the upper part also, here also. Now what we need to do is we need to fold it in two in order to get the middle part, exact middle part. So in order to get that middle part, else I can iron this place so that I can get the exact place where to stitch. I'll start from the waistline. We're leaving some ½ centimeter from the waistline. Stitch up to the bottom and pull it. So this much length should be fine. I'll attach it here so that we won't lose the shape of our dhoti. This is the waistline. It will wrap like this. Now we have to put same kind of thing in the sides. So I'll fold them up like this, one more, like I took from the middle, and then all these things I folded up. Same thing I'll repeat in other side. Make sure you're putting the waistline here and taking the same distance. Also, take the same distance here. We'll start folding from here and we folded up. Other side we folded up. Now we need to attach this one. So as we see here, the kurta's color is down. So this one is kurta's color. What we will need to do is we'll start ironing. For Lord Chaitanya, this is looking towards other side. For Lord Nitai, we will make it look different side, opposite side. I'll start ironing like this and I will show you also. Make sure that this upper part you're making correctly. Then you will have nice zigzag here. So for Lord Chaitanya it's looking other side and Lord Nitai it's looking different. So they will sit like this. So we'll take this and in the middle part where there is waistline, we'll just attach it like this. Again, make sure that it's all straight. try to sew in such a way that you don't show so much needle in the front. Hide this front part. You can go from below like this, not reaching the outer part, just go down. So the thread is not visible. Make sure, because it's front part, we don't want thread to be visible. Once front part is attached, try to attach the back side nicely. Try to attach the back side nicely, not reaching the front, and immediately going over to the back side. It's very thick, the needle may break. Yeah, it came from back side. Thread is not visible now, because this one is not so like jute kind of thing, so that it can nicely stand by itself. That's why from this place one time and from this place one time we will attach, so that it will nicely stay like this. It doesn't move. It just stays in place nicely. So I won't cut the thread. Whatever I have I will use. I'll go from this in the back side line a little bit down. Comes the needle where I'll just open this part, and then I'll take the needle back. Here. So here we don't see the thread. Be careful and don't show the thread. So this should be fine. I would have, if you want, you can try attaching like this, but I would keep it like this. So this thread will nicely sew it here. The only thing we need to do here is put some stickers in the back. Stickers or something, pins, so that Lord can wear it. You try it on your Lord, on your deity. If when you're folding it, if you are wearing it, if this place, the leg side, is smaller, then remove this part and shift it a little bit up and leave some space. I will also do that, and after that I will attach pin here. So it will look like this. Whatever I made size is fitting for the deity. I just measured it. So I will turn this side. And for this place, I'll put this kind of staplers, snaps. And for this place, I'll put this kind of stickers.